This one got hit good in the quarter panel, dog leg area. Folded up the wheelhouse.
By the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm you can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work.
I have a Volkswagen Jetta here. This one got hit good in the quarter panel, dog leg area. They call this, for slang term, a dog leg. Wadded it up good and also folded up the wheelhouse completely inside of here. So this one is going to get a new quarter panel, which I have right here, as well as the wheelhouse. But first, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make some pulls and roughly pull this damage out before I start cutting it apart. So this isn't pulling out very well. Everything, the wheelhouse is just wanting to separate from the quarter panel. I don't think it's really going to matter much. I'll make some more pulls if necessary once I get the outer panel cut off, but I don't think it's really going to be necessary unless I see something in there that I can't see right now. So I am going to go ahead and I'm going to do just some rough cuts, cut it short, and just get the outer panel off, and then I will go from there.